This is what Port Aransas looked like after Hurricane Harvey. Many of the homes and businesses had been built prior to new hurricane building codes that went into effect. Mayor Wendy Moore has lived here for her entire life and says she feels her city should be able to better withstand the next hurricane like Harvey.
I think that probably close to 80%, of our community is probably new and up to current codes.
Mayor Moore said that the city is still waiting on the federal government to pay off on its claims for its fire department and public works facilities that were each destroyed by the hurricane. Each of those projects are going to cost $10 million.
I've got a lawsuit against TWIA, and it's been delayed and delayed and delayed. It was supposed to be next week, and now it's been delayed to the middle of July just to have an informational hearing, not even the court hearing. So that'll be 6 years and nothing. So nothing but a lot of legal fees.
That's Aransas County business owner and entrepreneur Craig Griffin. He owns Charlotte Plumbers and the inn at Fulton Harbor, which was damaged by Harvey. TWIA still hasn't paid off on its claim. Meanwhile, the city's public works director believes Rockport has rebuilt stronger.
The rebuilds that occurred after Hurricane Harvey do make us more resilient because we followed higher standards for buildings. And so hopefully we'll be more resilient. I believe that our community will be more resilient.
Rockport Police Chief Greg Stevens showed us some of his hurricane supplies he's already purchased, like this pallet of water.
You have to have a plan, but you have to realize that flexibility and being able to make decisions on the fly is what is really necessary.
The leaders of both communities feel that they are well prepared for the next hurricane like Harvey, which for them produced a lot of damage from hurricane-force winds. They're unsure how their cities will fare if the next hurricane produces damaging floodwaters. Michael Gibson, 3 News.
All right, thank you, Michael. Other news tonight.